Welcome. Today we explore print your name, age, take input, and display formatted output using Python. Think of the last time you made a UPI payment on PhonePe or Paytm. You typed in the amount and the UPI ID, that is your input. The app immediately showed you a beautiful receipt, your name, the amount, the transaction ID, all neatly formatted. That is your output. Now, here is the beautiful part. Python works exactly the same way. The input function is like that payment form collecting your details, and the print function is like the receipt. It takes everything and displays it in a clean, readable format. That is literally the entire magic of today's lesson. Let us start with a mistake most beginners make on day one. They type print and inside the brackets they write Ravi without any quotes. Looks fine, right? But Python thinks Ravi is a variable name, not text. Watch what Python says. Name error, name Ravi is not defined. Python was looking for a variable, not a word. Now, the right way, wrap your text in quotes, either single or double. Both work the same. Print with quotes around the text tells Python this is a string. Just show it as is. Think of quotes as the packaging on a UPI receipt field. They wrap the content so Python knows it is readable text, not a command. Let us run all three prints now. Each line prints perfectly. Three clean lines of output name, age, city. Here's where the magic begins. We write name equals input, and inside the brackets, we put a prompt string, the message the user sees before they type. Under the hood, Python prints that prompt, then pauses the entire program and waits. The terminal shows a blinking cursor. The user types Priya and hits enter. Let us run this and type Priya. The prompt appeared, Priya was typed, and print shows Priya back. The UPI form collected the data. Same pattern for age. We store the result of input in the variable age. The prompt tells the user exactly what to enter. Notice both name and age are now stored as variables, ready to be used anywhere in the program. Let us enter 17 for age. Age is stored as the string 17. Notice how now we bring it all together. This is the moment your UPI receipt gets printed. The F string is written with the letter F right before the opening quote. Inside the string, wherever you want a variable's value to appear, you wrap the variable name in curly braces. Let us run the full program with Arjun and age 16. Three beautifully formatted lines, the variables slotted right in. And just like that, you have understood one of the most important concepts in Python. Let us add one more field, city, and print a proper profile receipt styled exactly like the UPI summary screen with a header and neat rows. Let us complete the full receipt, a complete formatted profile, three inputs, four output lines, zero extra code.